Good morning, class second. Class is English language, and yesterday we have started chapter second, nouns, one and many. Class, yesterday you have understood about nouns and their numbers. Okay, if there is a one noun word, there is only one names of person, place, animal, or thing. It is called singular nouns. And if there are two or more than two noun words, it is called plural nouns. जब कहीं पे भी केवल वन नाउन वर्ड है तो वो क्या होता है, सिंगुलर. और कहीं पे भी अगर टू और मोर देन टू हो, टू से ज़्यादा हो, तब वो क्या कहलाता है, प्लूरल. And also we have learned that by adding s, es, ves, ies, we make सिंगुलर टू प्लूरल. ओके, इन सब वर्ड का यूज़ करके हम लोग सिंगुलर से प्लूरल बना सकते हैं. सो yesterday we have completed question number A, B, C and D. Okay, till question number D you have done. So the next topic is more plurals. Some nouns do not follow any rule when changing from singular to plural. Okay, there are also some noun words which don't follow any rule, any formula by changing singular to plural. कुछ ऐसे नाउन भी वर्ड होते हैं जिसको सिंगुलर टू प्लूरल अगर बना रहे हैं तो कोई वी ई एस आई ई एस ये कोई फॉर्मूला उस पर सेट नहीं होता है. ठीक ना, तो उसको कैसे चेंज किया जाता है. जस्ट लाइक हियर देयर आर सम एग्जांपल्स. फर्स्ट इज मैन. दिस इज ओनली वन मैन, सो यू विल से मैन, MAN, मैन. And if there are any two or more than two men, so you will say men, MAN, man, MEN, men. Okay, you can see here that we change this letter for making it plural. Okay, सिंगुलर टू प्लूरल बनाने के लिए हमने क्या किया, बस MAN है जो उसको क्या कर दिया, MEN कर दिया. ओके, और इस तरह से अगर वोमेन होता, वन वोमेन होती तो WOMAN फॉर वन वोमेन, और प्लूरल फॉर्म में वोमेन होती तो क्या हम लिखते, WOMEN, वोमेन. ओके, मैन, मेन, वोमेन, वोमेन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज फुट, FOOT, फुट. दिस इज ओनली फॉर वन. एंड इफ there is a pair or more than two or more than 2 foot, so you will say feet, foot, feet. So here you can see that we change these vowels letter. Okay, in these words we change the vowel letter for making it plural. अब देखो यहाँ A था ना, A से हमने E कर दिया. ठीक, यहाँ डबल O था तो डबल E कर दिया. तो हम लोग क्या चेंज कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे वॉवल लेटर चेंज कर रहे हैं ना. नेक्स्ट इज, सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर E, in which match the singular nouns in column A with their plurals in column B by drawing lines. Class, here there are some nouns word. Okay, in column A there is a singular nouns word. Okay, and in column B they are in plural nouns word, so you have to match them. Just like mouse, mice. Okay, mouse, mice. Okay, woman, women, woman, women. Tooth, teeth, tooth, teeth. Ox, oxen, ox, oxen. Goose, geese, goose, geese. Child, children. Okay, child, children. Clear? So how to we make plural noun, by changing some letters. Okay, next is question number F. In this you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks using the correct form of the nouns given in brackets. Class, here in this question you have to complete these sentences. Okay, here there are some options, you have to choose the correct one according to the sentence. So the first is, there are two dash in our town. So the word is two. Two means plural, so you will choose the plural form. So which one you choose, factory or factories? Factories na, factories is a plural form, so here you will write factories. Okay, because of two. Next is Meera lost a dash yesterday. A. Meera lost a. A means singular form na, one na. So what will you choose? Notebook or notebooks? Notebook na. So here we'll write notebook. Meera lost a notebook yesterday. Next. Kunal got many dash on his birthday. Many. Plural form na. So what will you choose? Present or presents? Plural form choose करना है. कौन सा choose करिया जाएगा? Yes, presents. Okay, so here you will write presents. Kunal got many presents on his birthday. Next, there were some dash swimming in the pond. Some. Some means two or more than two. Okay, plural form na. So which one you choose? Geese or goose? Geese na. So here you will write geese. Next, the children liked only one dash one. One means singular. So which one you choose? Story or stories? Story na. So here you will write story. So this is done. Next question is question number G. The jumbled words given below are the plurals of some nouns. Write the words correctly and then write their singular forms. Class, here in this question there are some jumbled words. Okay, their spellings are misplaced. You have to write them correctly and these all are in plural form. Okay, यहाँ पे जो भी letters है ना, words है ना, उसको पहले हमको proper place में arrange करना है और वो किस में है? वो plural form में है. So here you will write the correct word in plural form. And also here in this column you will write the singular form of these words. पहले तो इसको स्पेलिंग अरेंज करेंगे हम लोग, वो किस में होगी? प्लूरल में होगी. अब इस प्लूरल फॉर्म का सिंगुलर फॉर्म भी हमको यहाँ पे राइट करना है. क्लियर हाउ टू दिस क्वेश्चन? सो रेडी? सो द फर्स्ट इज APLMS. So the correct spelling is lamps. LAMPS, lamps. And singular form is lamp. Lamps, lamp. Next, LLODS. So the correct word is dolls. DOLLS, dolls. And singular is doll. Dolls, doll. Next, ICME. So the correct word is mice. MICE, mice. And singular form of mice is mouse. Mice, mouse. Next, PISHS. So correct spelling is ships. SHIPS, ships. Okay, and this is a plural form and singular form is ship. SHIP, ship. Next, OTAMOETS. So the correct spelling is tomatoes. TOMATOES, tomatoes. And singular form is tomato. Tomatoes, tomato. Next, OOLLABNS. So the correct word is balloons. BALLONS, balloons. Okay, and singular form of balloons is balloon. Okay, balloons, balloon. Next, TGRIES. So the correct word is tigers. TIGERS, tigers. And singular form is tiger. Okay, tigers, tiger. Next, HUSOES. So the correct word is houses. HOUSES, houses. And singular form is house. Houses, house. Next, TEESR. So correct word is trees. TREES, trees. And singular form is tree. Okay. Next, BDIRS. So the correct word is birds. BIRDS, birds. Okay, and singular form is bird. Birds, bird. So clear class how to do this question? Next is question number H, and this is the last question of this chapter. Write the plurals of the singular nouns given in brackets and complete the sentences. Class, here in this question there are some singular forms. Okay, you have to write their plural. जो भी ब्रैकेट में आपका सिंगुलर वर्ड दिया हुआ है हमको उसका प्लूरल राइट करना है इस ब्लैंक्स में, राइट, और उसकी हेल्प से सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करना है. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज ऑल द मैन. ओके, सो प्लूरल ऑफ मैन इज मैन and woman. So women, woman, women. Clap for the singer. Next, the cat, cats. At the farm love to eat mouse, mice. Next, the farmer took all the goose, geese, and oxen into the animal shelter. Next, children should wash their feet, okay, feet, and brush their teeth before bedtime. Next, the teacher told the peoples, okay, people means student, okay, peoples, to keep their books on the table. Okay, so clear class, how to these questions? So class, here this chapter 2nd, nouns, one and many, totally completed. Hope you all understood very well that how to change singular to plural. Okay, so clear, it's enough for the day. Thank you.